want it in your mouth?
I'm not hurting you. I'm just simply getting up. I'm getting up. I just want to play out cold.
Who has the snowman now, Maddie?
Oh, God. Ow. That really hurts. Gosh, leave a freeze. Ow. What is in that bread? Jesus. Ow. Oh. What is that now? Maggie? What is in that?
Well, Caitlin found my panties on the floor and put it in a sock. And I didn't think it would hurt, right? But it hurts really bad.
Don't do it, please.
No, just do it. You would think that it wouldn't hurt. Okay.
Don't do it hard.
No, do it. I'm not going to do it hard.
You know what you're doing it hard makes you go. Don't do it hard.
I'm not doing it hard.
Ow! Yeah, and those are just my panties. You at least have to give up one of the things to have the snowman. Drop the Febreze and you can have the snowman. I won't touch the Febreze.
No.
All three. Say Maddie is better than me in every way.
Maddie's better than me in every way.
I still don't feel mercy. Walk closer. Walk closer. No.
Yeah! Revenge of the Croc.
The quack? Okay, we're putting this up. Don't scream. Don't scream.